My name is Maya. I am 36 years old. I am married. My husband's name is Victor. He is 42 years old. I work as a clerk in a small municipal office. Before I met Victor, my life was quiet and steady. Victor was charming, polite, and confident. He spoke gently and laughed easily. We met at a colleague's birthday dinner. I was nervous and quiet. He noticed and started the conversation. We joked about burnt food and shared a smile. I felt safe around him.
After a few weeks, we began meeting often. Victor came from a large family. He lived with his parents and younger brother in a big old house. One evening, Victor took me there to meet his family. I carried a box of sweets and fresh flowers. His father greeted me politely. His mother smiled briefly but stayed distant. His brother barely looked at me. I told myself they needed time. After 1 year, Victor asked me to marry him. I said yes without doubt. I was happy. His family was not. His mother said marriage changes everything. His brother whispered, "She won't fit our ways."
The wedding was simple. My family smiled and celebrated. His family attended quietly. His mother wore dark clothes. His brother left early. After marriage, we moved into his family home. Victor said, "We will save money this way." I wanted peace, so I agreed. In the beginning, I tried my best. I woke early. I cooked breakfast. I cleaned rooms. I helped with washing and folding clothes. No one thanked me. Soon his mother handed me daily instructions. Sweep floors, wash windows, clean bathrooms. I was exhausted but finished everything. Victor said, "You're managing well." I waited for more words. None came. His brother began asking favors. Make tea, iron my shirt. He stayed in his room all day. I felt invisible. I spoke to Victor. "I feel like a servant, not family." He replied, "They will adjust. Be patient." Nothing changed. My hands hurt from washing clothes. In winter, I cooked soup. His mother tasted it and said, "Too bland. You don't cook well." She poured it out. I turned away so no one saw my tears. I stopped meeting friends. I stopped smiling. Victor did not notice. One night I said, "I can't live like this." He answered, "My parents depend on you." I said, "I have no space, no voice." He said nothing. On weekends, Victor went out. I stayed home. His mother said, "A good wife stays inside." I missed my mother, her laughter, her songs while cooking. I started visiting a nearby park. It was my only quiet place. One day, his brother laughed and said, "You look tired, Maya. Marriage aged you." I looked in the mirror that night. My face looked hollow. I asked myself, where did I go? A few days later, my friend Nora called. She asked, "How is married life?" I said, "Fine," but my chest felt heavy. One morning, I made breakfast. His mother complained about the tea. Victor ate and left. His brother asked for food and walked away. No thanks. I told Victor, "They don't respect me." He said, "You're thinking too much." That day, his mother made me clean windows again. After hours, she said I missed a spot. I broke inside. That night, I said, "I want to leave this house." He replied, "We can't afford rent." I said, "We can live simply." He said, "I'm comfortable here." I felt alone. I called Nora and told her everything. She said, You are a wife, not a servant. Her words stayed with me. That night I did not cook. Victor asked why. I said, I'm tired. His mother called me lazy. I stayed silent. The next morning she handed me clothes to wash. I said, no. She shouted, this is my house. I replied, then I will leave. I packed a small bag. I told Victor, I need space. I stayed with Nora. Her home was calm. I slept peacefully. After 3 days, Victor came. I asked him, do you want a wife or someone to work for your family? He stayed quiet. A week later, he found a small apartment, 1 room, a kitchen, enough for us. We moved. His family watched silently. In our new place, we unpacked together. We opened windows. Light filled the room. That night, I cooked pasta. Victor helped. We ate on the floor and laughed. Slowly, things changed. We shared chores. We talked. We apologized. On our anniversary, we bought a small cake, 1 candle, soft music. Victor said, you look like yourself again. I smiled. I am Maya. I am a wife, not a servant. I have little, but I have peace. This is what it feels like to have a home of your own.